Editor Jukakot Koboru Nongsaiñ Hima uba lambok thaba ula Khlad no Kyndit mentaka singi ka arpu artrek unai lor ahaja arpo ula dap sanpo artsnem kerta uba lambok ubla shakri ka kam tho khbor la kumba arpu news nemi e ula kempang kensan hinemen step ha kapor la shiteng e ikurim bar ki khon kila penket kerke jo hospital hindre ula Khlad no hashiteng lenti habla poi ha Bethany hospital la pen bana bola Khlad no ula ino shadien ye ikurim ikong Mildred sun laingot ki khon bar iwe khon ksiu ka Shillong Press Club kala pelong ka jelang ngolem halor ka ni ka jing Khlad no ba lambok thaba ha ka ba ki khot kila pen ken mawi ka jing shakri ba khlam shong thai chong u ha ka ni ka kam ka jelang kala pelong ru e ka jing snap jar ka ba minute kum ka dak ka jing ngosi ba jing ai buram ka ba khaddo yu editor jong ka ni ka kor khobor ye kamet jong ba lambok thaba on tap ka arpa sau tarek mentau benai halom jing tap ka balang Catholic hamolai pata
lam thaba when I was already working when he joined the profession, and one conversation I remember is with him after some time, after some years, was that he used to have a friend. He joined this profession together with a friend, but I'm forgetting the name of that friend. I don't remember. So it seems that he had done his I think what is that? Yeah, from Polytechnic. He had passed out, and with his other friend. And when I met him after some time, then I asked him, "Where's your friend?" And he said, "Oh, to Layo, come, some government job." Then I heard that Lam also got a government job, But I asked him, "Why did you join also?" Then he told me, "Oh, Ngamlong Shoban joined kam kum kato namarwa. Shisun la don hakanika kam no kuborte. Usmo la Shoban like join, some other job with 9 to 5 or an early job. So like he really got dedicated to this profession.
Mentara life host nam ingalah dalam kam kubor am jupet pat na siam ba lam di weni bas pat ha ban simbenta ban lelum kubor na king dorban ni ba lam lep ni sa kanoksa jong ka jing trace tom na ka benta ka jonga ka jong phi di kawai ka ba ngasoli bat ang kolong ba ka Nongsaiñ Hima kala Nongsaiñ Hima ni ka kuali Nongsaiñ Hima kala im bat ndekang ba kala im bakala yai ba di nakadaw ti kajing trace tom ding balam bat kumju gitu ki nakaliang de management ilai pasang bat ba kumju ru de ta kajing lam ti ilalam na simik ti reporter baden ta kadaw Nongsaiñ Hima kayeng ko kum kawai ni ki kot kubor akan ni jela kum kawai kot kubor ka ba labiang sisa balayo ya kanam ke burum kabayo ya kejingaro kabala long kanong kasiu ibabun kiliang nak pada kajai budi bujni ti ngaso banong ba kejing Khlad no di balam kalong kejing du nak benda ke kot khwar ngai scam ke sami pa di kibai ba khamba sisu ti hendrai kalong kanoksa nak benda jingi bukan nang kristom.
Yeah, he's a jovial person. He can make you laugh. And I remember the time when we went to a village down to Sora and Report. 3 of us went. Just Lam, myself and Jose. We climbed 3,000 stairs, and Balam will never get tired because he's been so used to rural reporting. He took me down to Shalang. He's the person who have taken me to various parts of the state, the remotest areas of Meghalaya, and that's why he has a name for me. He always called me Chauri or Mala. In our language, Mala is slippery. He always calls me that. And after I won the Ramnath Goenka, he called me. He said, you know, you're the person who followed me. And I said, yes, Balam, because you're the one who has taken me along all these years. And let me share with my friends the jailbreak story that we did was the push that Balam, you know, Balam has been pushing me so much. So that was the breakthrough in this field with the hands of Balam. And when I got this news this morning, here I was doing my radio waves duty, and you know, we have to be great pretenders when we speak on the radio. But then it's broken. I'm broken today, and I know He will bless us all.
To recall back my association with Balam, we are in the same school. Balam is senior to me. When I was in class 7, Balam is in class 8. And he is very jovial like that only, as usual. And then Balam also come to enter this profession at the Rupan. And then me and Ba Powell, we entered in this profession in Umopor. Then later on, you know, our job we keep on changing. So when after a few years, then somehow when Balam was the editor of Nongsaiñ Hima, then I was called there to Nongsaiñ Hima, and I've been with him working together. I saw he really gave his dedication to this profession. And the direction that he has given to the reporters, you know, he will say, you do this today and the other one will do that. So everything, it was under his guidance. So really, I cannot have any word to express. I really was shocked when I saw the message today.
What about family or families? What about children? Suddenly the source of income has to be cut. What do we have in future? We don't have pension. We don't have anything. I think this is the day, this is the time that we should ponder, we should think. We should think of ourselves, for our families. We have given so much. We have sacrificed a lot. We have faced a lot of criticism, not only from the public, from the government, from everywhere. We don't have any support from anyone. My friends, I take this opportunity. Let us think about ourselves, about this profession that we love so much. But when it came to this very sad incident, we don't have any answer. I don't have any answer to give you, Madam Sir. What do I say to them? Because we don't have any future. So, on behalf of Sri staff and myself, I would like to convey my deepest sadness to the very family of Madam Thaba and to the member and staff of Nongsaiñ Hima. Because suddenly they lost their leader.